पूर्णमिदम् पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We had seen the 10th verse, and in the 10th verse various points were illustrated. First was, what is the meaning of Brahman? By what knowledge Brahman became everything? And it was concluded that knowledge is the removal of adhyas, of a Brahmatva and a Sarvatva on the Brahman. Removal of adhyas, of a Brahmatva and a Sarvatva on the Brahman. I had tried to elaborate what is the meaning of Aham Brahmasmi. This was the most important point of this mantra. Second point was the stuti of this knowledge, that among the devatas who gets this knowledge, he also tat abhavat. Tat abhavat means what? That he also knows that he is all. I am repeating it, just a word of caution. When it is said that he becomes all or he is all, it does not mean that he becomes knower of everything. He doesn't become particular knower of a thing. He is a general knower, that what is existence outside is consciousness inside. The book existence is there in the book also, and consciousness is there in me also. So normally a person thinks that existence outside is different and consciousness inside is different. But knowing the Brahman, we realize that everything is pervaded by the consciousness, by the existence, and that existence outside, which is everywhere, is none other than the consciousness inside. This differentiation of inside and outside is false. It is not right, and therefore he becomes all. He discovers himself as the adhisthana of all. So this was the second point of his stuti was there. Then it was mentioned, I had mentioned, present participle, Shatru Pratyaya was used, Pashyan Pratipede. So, Mahamdev Rishi, he Pashyan Pratipede, he said, I am Manu, I am Surya. That means the knowing and moksha are same. There is no gap between that. Generally we use the word moksha, generally we think it is after the death. Only he has knowledge, therefore after death he won't be born. देखो not being reborn is not moksha. It is moksha phalam. Not being reborn is not called moksha. Generally, moksha word is associated with not having a birth. बोले मुक्त हो गए वो, तो मोक्ष हो गया. तो किसी से पूछा व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ मोक्ष, बोले it means that he will not be born. And if somebody is not passing and he is in disease, so you use the word, बोले भगवान इनको मोक्ष दे दे, मुक्ति दे दे. So that word is not there. So moksha in our Vedantic technical meaning is the name of the knowledge only. So I had given you one point in the morning. Jnanat eva kaivalyam. This is less right than jnanam eva kaivalyam. Okay, so this point has to be clear. Actually, moksha is the freedom from adhyas, freedom from the abrahmatva and asarvatva on I. This freedom is moksha. Moksha is freedom from abrahmatva. I am already mukta. So this is the third point which was mentioned. Now, these 3 points we had seen in the morning. Okay. Each point will open up new beautiful points. It takes away the wrong concepts and give the right point. The next point we had seen, tad idam api etarhi. Let us read this point. I think I had not seen this point. Please repeat after me. 4th line. Tad idam api etarhi ya evam veda aham brahma asmiti sa idam sarvam bhavati tasya na devascha na bhutya ईशते आत्मा येषाम स भवति. Now this is saying, again the second argument is there, that even devatas cannot obstruct jnanam. After the knowledge has taken place, he cannot be obstructed. Why? Because Jnani is the Atma of even the Devatas. He has become Atma of all the Devatas and he is one with Devatas. So, if Devatas do harm, that means Devatas are harming themselves and Jnani is not different from that God. Let us see. It is written, Itarhi tad idam yaha. Itarhi means now, yaha means that person, yaha tad idam api. This way, evam means aham brahmasmi ved. He knows. What he knows? Aham brahmasmi sa idam sarvam bhavati. He becomes all. He becomes all. This is called sarvatma bhava. One name of moksha is sarvatma bhava. And therefore Gita has repeatedly said, Yajñatva neha bhuyo nyad jnatavyam avashishyate, knowing which there is nothing else remaining to be known. Then it is written here, Tasya na devascha nanubhutya ishate. That person who has known, now devatas can't rule him. Oh. देखो क्या लिखा है. So Upanishad is talking about the glory of Jnani. So, na nanubhuti. See the word here. So it is written here, nanubhutya ishate. So devatas cannot rule him. Devatas cannot take away his knowledge also. Na bhuti. Bhuti means power of the devatas. And abhuti means not having the power of the devatas. And these devatas cannot rule him now. That means they cannot take away his joy, take away his abhuti. So na cha. See the word is cha. So abhutya means stopping liberation. Bhuti means liberation. Bhuti means liberation. And abhuti means stopping the liberation. And ishate means capable of. They are not capable of stopping his liberation. Devaha abhutyai na ishate. The Anvay will be like that. These devatas are not capable of stopping his liberation. Why? Because he has gone beyond the realm of acting power of devatas. Devatas can act only on your gross body, subtle body, or situation. Devatas have no entry towards the Atma, and he himself has become the Atma of the Devatas. Therefore, nobody can act on the self. This is the stuti of the Jnani going on. So, why Atma hi esham sa bhavati? Esham means Esham, Devanam. Of the Devatas, he himself is the Atma. How can Devatas disturb him knowing that he is the Atma? So Devatas are not able to do anything to him. That means they cannot take away his knowledge. They can give physical inflictment, but knowledge aspect they cannot take away. I already talked in the morning, because knowledge is not vritti pradhan at that time, and therefore it cannot be lost. It cannot be snatched away. Kharche na koote baake chor na loote. So this knowledge cannot be stolen away. So till this point is the stuti of the Jnani. Now, one more thing is there. Now there is a ninda. Ninda? Yes. Ninda. Ninda means censor. Whose? Ajnanis. बोले अरे छोड़ देते, why you are doing censor of the अज्ञानी? बोले नहीं, उनकी हम थोड़ी सी पिटाई किया जाए थोड़ा, जिससे कि दिमाग ठीक हो जाए इनका. So like there was Vidya Sutra, one word is called Avidya Sutra. So you heard Vidya Sutra, Atma Ityeva Upasita. This is the Vidya Sutra. Now अब आते हैं अविद्या सूत्र में. What he says now. So from Atha to Viduhu is the description of the samsari. Samsari means what? Samsari means who is only acting as per the reflected consciousness. Samsari means who is trying to expand the Vishesh Aham. His project is Aham expansion program through world. So whole attempt of this samsari is to how to become big, become through the world. If he had wanted to be big by knowing the self, then he becomes a seeker. But he wants to become big. Small self, he wants to make it big through somebody, and in that process he is struggling. So for him there is a special mantra. What is there? Please repeat after me. Atha yonyam devtam उपास्ते अन्यः असौ अन्यः अहम अस्मीति न स वेद यथा पशुः एवं स देवानां यथा वै बहवः पशवः मनुष्यं भुञ्जुः एवं एकैकः पुरुषः देवान् भुनक्ति एकस्मिन्नेव पशावादीयमाने अप्रियं भवति किमु बहुषु तस्माद् येषां तन्न प्रियं यद् एतत् मनुष्याः विद्युः. This is the prasanga of Ajnani Ninda. And Avidya Sutra is there. Avidya Sutra is from Atha to Nasa Veda. So from here to here, Atha yo anyam devatam upaste anya asau anya aham asmiti nasa Veda. This portion is called as Avidya Sutra. Achha, Male, why Avidya Sutra you are giving? So that we can see where we are in Avidya or we are in Vidya. Well, no need, I know that. Why you are telling us? So actually, 8th, 9th and 10th mantra was the commentary on the Vidya Sutra till this point, till Bhavati. That 7th mantra, Atma iti ev upasita, the commentary was 8th, 9th and 10th mantra till Bhavati. Because that was expansion. Sutra means which needs expansion after that. And now, so essence of this sutra, this Avidya Sutra is there. Whosoever sees difference between himself and the devatas, he is not saying he is a fool. He is saying he is animal. Kya Chaitanya, you are spoiling our evening saying animal. फूल तक तो ठीक था, एनिमल बना दिया हमको. नहीं, आपको नहीं, वो तो जो नहीं जानते उनके लिए बोला गया है. अथ यह बड़ी निंदा है भाई. If you read Mahabharat, if you read Bhagavad, those who are samsari, those who are dependent for their joy on people, place, situation, those who are going to take rebirth, scriptures have really left no words to describe their despicability. कोई sympathy नहीं. Somewhere they will say he is animal, somewhere he will say that he is Mudha. Why? Because the seeker who has come to listen the talk, he should get shock. He should get more sensitive. चोट लग जानी चाहिए जब तक कि फोन ऑफ कर दीजिए. प्लीज पुट ऑफ द फोन. अथ यह see, because we live a very blinded life, we do the mistake. One mantra comes in Valmiki Ramayana. अन्यथा संतमात्मानं अन्यथा प्रतिपद्यते, अन्यथा संतमात्मानम अन्यथा प्रतिपद्यते, किम तेन न कृतं पापम चोरेण आत्महपायिना। बोले यू आर समथिंग एल्स एंड यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ समथिंग एल्स, यू आर चोर। लो, बोले चोर क्यों बोला आपने? बिकॉज दिस बॉडी वॉज बिलोंगिंग टू द पेरेंट्स। व्हाई डिड यू से वन हु मेड द बॉडी ही शुड क्लेम इट इज माइन? तो समझ में आती है व्हाई यू आर क्लेमिंग योर बॉडी नाउ। दिस बॉडी बिलोंग टू प्रकृति बिकॉज भगवान सेज भूमि रापो नलो मायु खम मनो बुद्धि रेव च अहंकार इतियम मे प्रकृति। दिस ऑल 5 एलिमेंट बिलोंग्स टू मी। Out of that, why did you claim yourself? Therefore, you are taking somebody else's thing without asking. So one who takes somebody else's thing without asking, he is called thief. If you had asked God that can I see it mine, and he said yes, you can say mine, then I would have believed yes. But you said it without asking, without taking permission. Huh? So, this is called the tendency of a person. Those who are not the seekers is somehow to be sad, to be happy. And what is the basis of that? Their life is ahankar centric. The center of their life is joy and sorrow of ahankar. Whole project is ahankar expansion program, and if somewhere ahankar is not expanding, then sadness is coming, then I hate that person. So this is the tendency of a person. He is not after the truth, he is after the false thing. One day I was telling, I think some of you were sitting, I have a vritti. Samsari vritti is there. And when that vritti is samsari, actually you don't live with the person, you live with the thought of the person. But he tries to see that my vritti, others accept it. When I live with the person, I want the acceptability of my vritti. Okay. I have some demand. Because of that demand, I want you should also endorse that demand of mine. That means accept my vritti. When that vritti is samsari, it is illogical. And anybody's illogical vritti, other person finds difficult to accept. When you say, I have kept away from him, I feel you have kept away because he was forcing a vritti to you which you felt is not right. ठीक है. And anybody is sad because what vritti he had couldn't become an object. I wanted to marry with that person. Forget about marrying. I got his marriage card today. Earlier days, postman used to be there. Now postmen have become redundant. So one boy was there, he used to write 10 letters in a day. And postman used to deliver that. After 1 year, he discovered that that girl is getting married to the postman. It was such a big strategical mistake by that person. When I have a vritti, false vritti of self-expansion, I feel you should endorse my desire or become big. देखो, सीकर को ना बिग होने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन फॉल्स आई. देखो, दो तरह का डिस्पैशन हुआ. वन डिस्पैशन इज फ्रॉम द वर्ल्डली ऑब्जेक्ट, जॉय इज नॉट देयर. दिस वेदांतिन सीकर हैज dispassionate from Chidabhas. He feels this I itself is a cause of all my samsara. Real culprit is here. He is a kingpin. बोलिए, अपने आप को बड़ा बताना चाह रहा है काफी. और देयरफॉर ये लोगों को इकट्ठा कर रहा है. ही इज गोइंग फॉर मनी, ही इज गोइंग फॉर पोजीशन, ही इज गोइंग फॉर जॉब. I don't want big Chidabhas I. It is a subtle dispassion now. I don't want bigger Chidabhas I, and because I don't want bigger Chidabhas I, therefore automatically the idam things also I don't want. Try to, therefore, from initially I have been mentioning this point, please objectify the life, objectify your anger. Please attack the demander in you, not the demand. Don't fulfill the demand. Please find out that demander, how much is it worth fiddling with. Constantly when a person is seeing this, he feels that this is the one who keeps me bound by everybody. Sukh dukh belong. In Kaivalya Upanishad, there is one mantra comes, Sa eva maya parimohitatma shariramasthaye karoti sarvam स्त्री अन्नपानादि विचित्र भोगैः सएव जागृत परितृप्तमेति स्वप्ने सजीवा सुख दुःख भोक्त्वा स माया कल्पित जीवलोके सुषुप्ति काले सकले विलीने तमो विभूत सुख रूपमेति. बोले यही है एक जो है. एंड दिस आई, you know what is the struggle of this I? To have a separate bigness than others. I want to be separately bigger than others. Whole idea is of separateness of I. So ahankar is the joy of separateness, joy of joy of bigness of separateness, joy of uniqueness. Bole, I want to do something different, Swamiji. People also will know what big, what different. It's a different. I'm different kind of. My aesthetic sense is different. I think differently on aesthetic. My dressing sense is different. I'm very differently. I'm designing my own house. It's a very different kind of concept is there. In Durban, there is one house they designed. It is of the size. It is like a ship. Didn't understand? Like a ship is there. There is no house. Ship, like a ship is there. So it is like a concrete ship. Ship is there. I've never gone. They didn't call me, how can I go? So, but that ship, you remember that? When you go to Madan Bhai's house then. And there is a ship kind of. I wanted to know how they fit inside the room. अब ship तो इतनी बड़ा है, लेकिन ocean is nowhere. It is all ship is on the ground. Why different? I want to different, He loved me. Achha. And supposing somebody says, I love you. Somebody was there. I told that person, he says, you love me? I said, of course I love you. As I love everybody, I love you also. Then after that, that person, I am like everybody. Next question, I'm like everybody for you. I'm not different from others. देखो ये है इसकी, ये भूख है इसकी. And it is chasing it. From class 1 it wants to become student of class 2 so that it can become bigger. Then it wants to become graduate, postgraduate, married. Marriage actually, ordinary person, what his idea is, I'm telling you. He wants that somebody in my life should be there. At least one person in this whole cosmos. For whom I should be the biggest eye. He should give me very big eye. I don't want the object from him. I don't want that he should give me sweets and sarees and pants. I want he should give me very big eye. This is the thirst of a samsari person. Husband wants that wife very big eye. And from wife husband wants a big eye. And supposing they don't give to each other, तब तो गई marriage. वो तो आदमी आता है from the office, office he had been bruised, his ego has been bruised. Office means lot of tussle problem, थका है. Boss said, you're not doing the work properly. In front of the whole management today, he roughly spoke to me, very roughly. I was so upset about it. He could have told me, but he said in front of everything, I give you the project, August was the deadline, you are taking now October. How long will you do like that? Here people are doing for, one person is doing 4 persons' job. And your job is doing by being 4 people. ये सब बोल दिया तो वो चॉपसी कर दिया जो हमारा जैसा by he made it very small. That do in front of everybody. My if he was said privately, I would have tolerated. In front of my junior, in front of my boss's boss, he said such like that. घर आए महाराज, वाइफ की तरफ देखा. He said, I'm very upset. Boss, बोले boss, nothing is there. I'm chanting Hanuman Chalisa and that boss will be transferred. There is nobody like you. The day you will leave the office, they will all run after you. There is no one like you. You have worked day and night. I have yet to find another person who works like you. She gave a very big eye. This is called healing touch. ये healing touch हो गया. जो घाव हो गया था, that the wound which was there, wound, you understand, no? Somebody has given you very small eye. That is called your inner wound. And the moment you think about that person, you get very upset because he gave me very small. और तो है नहीं हमारे पास कुछ आई. If I were a seeker, I would have gone behind that bigger eye. I said, ठीक है, छोटा eye हमसे क्या, हमारा तो है नहीं अच्छा. What is false, you say big is small, what does it matter? What is not there, बोल वाला छोटा बोलो, उसमें क्या? Small children were playing husband wife on the sea beach. Small children, 4 years. So one girl became wife and a boy became husband. So they were playing. So boy came from the office. He said, what has been made today? So she took some sand as to representative of the dinner or what. Well, this is there. Today we have made the toast. This is the toast. Then he said, you don't know the act properly. When falsely something has to be made, why don't you say, I have made cake, pastas? Because it is only sand only. So please edit your script. बोले इसको छोटा बना दो, बनाने दो छोटा, बड़ा बनाने दो बड़ा उसको. ज्ञानी की दृष्टि ये है. ज्ञानी की दृष्टि, he is not sitting there. Please don't sit there. You will be in trouble. I was telling about Odi Baba. Somebody asked whether you know Sanskrit or not. I must have told here. He said, no, I don't. One day in Vrindavan, there was a Bhiksha of all saints. Everybody was called. Except Odi Baba was not called. He had a very prominent place. So his people said, they have not called. Well, they must have forgotten. What does it matter? Bhiksha started 11, 12 o'clock there. Somebody said, you did not call the most important Swamiji. Baba was in his ashram eating food. Boli, go and call him. Boli, but this is good manners to call 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock is the Bhiksha. Boli, go and call him. Baba was eating food. He said, Baba, we forgot to call you, please come. He said, Acha chalo. Because Swami Khandanand was in Bombay. So chicks went to invite him to our Sandeepni ashram. He was in Malabar Hills. He said, okay, I'll come. So one of the chicks said, no, we'll send a car because we want to honor you. I don't want that. We want to see that your dignity, your bigness is maintained. But he was such a great Mahatma. He said, बेटा ऐसा है, जो बड़ा न हो उसको तुम बड़ा बनाओ. हम तो सबसे बड़े हैं. तुम्हारे बड़े बनाने से तो हम बड़े होंगे नहीं, छोटे बनाने से हम छोटे भी नहीं होंगे. Very lovingly he was talking from this point of view. तो न भी भेजो कार तब भी हम बड़े हैं, भेजो तो भी हम बड़े हैं. ऐसे मस्ती में बोलते थे. Out of joy he used to just utter some words for the seekers around. वो तो we are after the small I. हमको वो दिया नहीं. And it can never be fulfilled because world is a place. It can never make you the adhishthan which is your real demand. कोई बड़ा बनाएगा, कोई छोटा बना देगा. देखो ये तो वर्ल्ड ऐसे ही है. And therefore this tendency to become big through the worldly people and achievement is called Bhed Buddhi. That I am different, he is different, he should make me bigger even if he has to make himself smaller. I will make you small to make myself big. ये बीमारी है हमारी. This is a disease. अरे नहीं है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. बोले सर, he made me feel small. But he made, no, so you are not small. And all our project, this Jeev has a very complex mind. बोले I want to have a very good drawing room, Swami ji. घर है तो ड्राइंग रूम होना चाहिए भाई. क्यों ड्राइंग रूम होना चाहिए? अरे ड्राइंग रूम, the person will sit there, he will see nice how room is there, nice sofa set is there, expensive one, some expensive painting is kept. You don't know what is in some painting. They call it modern art. Whatever you can't understand is modern art. And you see This Chandelier is there. I've been investing 2.5 lakh in this particular painting and this chandeliers only. This door I am painting. किस लिए कर रही है सब? You need little of the space to live. अरे भाई हम गृहस्थ हैं हम लोग. People should see also what I have. One person was very rich. I asked him, you are so rich, you don't use so much of money. Why you have to become so rich? He said very nice point, which really struck me. He said, really I don't need so much of money. But Swamiji, the feeling that I have so much of money, that feeling is very good. That feeling that I have become bigger, I have now in the world. Bombay person. हमने कहा वाह, यही ordinary persons, this is his chase. This is his chase. खूब luxuriously शादी करो. पैसा है भाई, क्यों? Others should know I have so much